If you're tired of carrying multiple chargers for your laptop, phone, tablet, or whatever it is that you're charging, just one compact device can change everything. Meet the MFish E-Rhino, one of the most powerful and versatile fast chargers you can add to your setup. This here is a true 140 watt charger able to supercharge a 16-inch MacBook Pro from 0 to 56% in just 30 minutes, thanks to cutting-edge PD 3.1 fast charging. It features 4 ports. You're gonna have 3 USB-C here, a 140 watt, 100 watt, and a 20 watt, as well as 1 USB-A at 22.5 watts. So you can power up a laptop, phone, tablet, any accessories, all your accessories, all at once. Despite packing serious power, it's about 30% smaller than a brick-style charger. Let me show you over here. We have the 140 watt USB-C power adapter that came with my MacBook Pro. And let me show you the difference here. Look at that. No matter how you put this, this is still smaller than this. And with this one, you get 4 ports. With this one, you only get the 1 USB-C. So you get way more ports and a smaller footprint. Not only that, it has a foldable plug, making it ideal for travel or keeping a clutter-free desk. So this is quite perfect. MFish's ICE 2.0 cooling tech and overload protection means safe, fast charging for multiple devices. This works with all the latest tech. Your MacBooks, your iPads, iPhones, Galaxy phones, Switch, Steam Deck, whatever you have to charge, this bad boy can do it. But just a heads up, Dell laptop users may not see full speed charging due to those devices' restrictions. At the time of this recording, this charger is on sale right now for $49.99. Plus, you get a 1-year warranty, a 30-day guarantee, and free shipping on orders over $39. And this, as is right now, qualifies for free shipping. And to make this even better, you can get an extra 10% off when you use my code in the description below. Oh wait, as a bonus, you get the MFish Armored Dragon charging cable included for free when you buy direct. Let me show you what's inside. This isn't just any cable. Let me show you. So you got a nice little case. If you want to transport it or whatever else you want to put in here. Right here, little cable tie. But this is a 4-in-1 universal design supporting up to 240 watts of power delivery. So this means you can use it for USB-C, Lightning, and USB-A. Let me show you how. On this end, you're going to have the USB-A. On this end, you have Lightning. Then, if you pull this off, now, this end, you're going to have the USB-C. And the same thing over here, USB-C as well. With just this one cable, it's perfect for travel, desk setups, and reducing your cable clutter. The cable features a rugged, armored exterior that feels solid and tough, but also ultra soft. This reminds me of those heavy-duty instrument cables for a guitar or a bass guitar. It's built for durability and can handle high wattage charging for laptops, tablets, phones, and whatever else you want to throw at it. Length options include extra long choices for added flexibility and color choices, giving you a bit of style. If you need one do-it-all charger for work and travel, the MFish E-Rhino 140 watt charger delivers top speed, versatility, and real-world convenience. Not to mention, you get the free cable on top of that. So is this the ultimate power solution for creators and travelers? Let me know what you think and let me know your charging setup below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and any questions, suggestions, comments, anything at all, put them down in the comment section below. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Peace.